Squish, splat. Uh-oh. A sudden rainstorm has turned the jungle floor into a sticky, muddy mess, and now tiny insects are trapped in the gooey gloop. Butterflies flutter helplessly with muddy wings, ants struggle to free their many legs, and a brave little beetle is completely stuck. Just when things look hopeless, a rustling in the leaves announces some unlikely heroes. Big jungle animals are coming to the rescue. One by one, the wild animal friends arrive with clever solutions. A gentle elephant uses her trunk like a water hose to rinse away mud. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. They often rely on scent and sound more than sight. Rhinos are heavily poached for their horns, driven by illegal trade, especially for use in traditional medicine, despite no proven benefits. Chimpanzees are much stronger than humans, especially for their size. They're also excellent climbers and spend a lot of time in trees. Chimpanzee babies stay with their mothers for about 5 to 7 years, learning everything they need to survive. Chimpanzees share about 98 to 99% of their DNA with humans. Pandas have a special pseudo-thumb, an enlarged wrist bone, to help them hold bamboo. Pandas are excellent climbers and can even swim. They communicate using scent marks, vocalizations, and body language. Pandas weigh between 70 to 160 kilograms, 155 to 350 pounds, and are about 1.2 to 1.9 meters, 4 to 6 feet long. Reindeer can change eye color from gold in summer to blue in winter to adapt to changing light levels. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though females are smaller. Reindeer make one of the longest land migrations of any mammal, up to 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, annually. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago and have been humans' companions ever since. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors, compared to about 6 million in humans. Dogs communicate through barking, growling, whining, body language, and facial expressions. But some human foods like chocolate and grapes are toxic to them. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in Africa. A small population also exists in the Gir forest of India. Lions weigh around 150 to 250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds. Females are smaller. Horses have been domesticated for about 5,000 to 6,000 years and were crucial for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses have large eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Horses' hooves are made of keratin, like human nails. Leopards are incredibly adaptable. They live in forests, savannas, mountains, deserts, and even urban edges across Africa and parts of Asia. Leopards have a beautiful golden yellow coat with rosette-shaped spots that help with camouflage. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Bears have excellent memory, problem-solving skills, and have been observed using tools in the wild. Bears help control prey populations and disperse seeds. For example, by eating berries and defecating in other areas, they help forests grow. Gorillas are mostly vegetarians, eating leaves, shoots, fruit, and stems. Occasionally, they may eat insects like ants or termites. Gorillas primarily walk on all fours using their knuckles, a trait they share with chimpanzees. Gorillas live in the tropical forests of Central Africa. Mountain gorillas live in high-altitude cloud forests. Wolves are the ancestors of domestic dogs, Canis lupus familiaris, diverging around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. Wolves form lifelong family bonds and care deeply for each other, sharing food and caring for the young and sick. Wolves howl to communicate across distances. It's used for coordination, territory marking, and bonding. Each wolf's howl is unique. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles and belong to the same order as crocodiles, but they are different animals. Alligators eat fish, birds, turtles, mammals, and even carrion. They wait quietly in water and lunge at prey with powerful jaws. Butterflies taste with their feet. Their taste sensors are located on their feet, allowing them to detect the right plants for laying eggs. Butterflies transform from caterpillars into adults through a process called metamorphosis. Butterflies have a straw-like tongue. It's called a proboscis. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. Red iguanas spend much of their time in trees, using their strong legs and sharp claws to climb and cling to branches. Red iguana is known for its striking bright red or reddish-orange coloration, which makes it stand out compared to other iguanas. Red iguana is actually a color morph of the green iguana. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Leopard geckos are named after their spotted skin, which resembles a leopard's coat. Leopard geckos are fascinating and popular reptiles, especially loved by reptile enthusiasts and pet owners. Leopard geckos are gentle, low maintenance, and hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos are very territorial and can be aggressive toward humans and other animals. Usually, one calf is born. Yellow iguanas, like green ones, can change shades slightly depending on temperature, mood, and health. Yellow iguanas are albinomorphs. They lack melanin, which gives them a uniform yellow or golden color with red eyes. Yellow iguanas behave like regular green iguanas, herbivorous, arboreal, and needing heat. Rams have symbolized power, protection, and masculinity in many ancient cultures, including Egyptian and Greek mythology. Rams graze on grasses, shrubs, and herbs, and wild species will also browse on lichens and mosses in mountainous areas. Rams ram heads at speeds of 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. Green iguanas spend most of their time in trees and are excellent climbers with sharp claws and strong legs. Green iguanas are strong swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 30 minutes. Green iguanas are native to Central and South America, living in rainforests near rivers and streams. A mischievous monkey carefully lifts bugs to safety with his nimble fingers. Even a slow-moving sloth becomes an unexpected hero, letting butterflies rest on his back while their wings dry. But the funniest helper? A tapir, who doesn't realize his big muddy footprints are creating new puddles. Oops!